Anday, kailahi kang lugar.
Sus, di ba ni tinuod? Kamping-kamping sila mga inganin niya. Ano man ni tinuod? Good. May pagkuanan ni, di tinganin nga post. Kaya ni tinuod eh. Pagwa na kay mga AI karon. Uy, ganga, uy. Di nyo naman kaya sa community-fan. Ayun lang, wait lang. Uy, ganga, uy. Di naman kaya sa community-fan karon. Pinanglan ako hot water dyan, ay kaning cold water kay para kuan. And, lubat na po ako ay kuan. Check ko. Ay, naku. Oh, salamat, nanay water. Cold water is the savior keeping para water. Charge na ako, limit na. Kasi pa ako charge. Eh, basta ka akong kamot, pero kaya na rin kayo. Lubat na kaayo, mapakitataon.
Sige, sige.
Charge na ako.
Like him. If not, continue watching.
Electricity makes our lives easier. It powers our phones, lights, gadgets, and appliances that we use every day. But when electricity is handled carelessly, it can cause electric shock, burns, fires, and even serious injuries.
Many electrical accidents happen because people ignore simple safety and believing that wala namang mangyayari. But you just saw, accident only take a few seconds.
Here are some ways to stay electrically safe.
Tip number 1.
Never touch electrical outlets, plugs, and appliances with your wet hands. Water allows electricity to pass through your body more easily, increasing the risk of electric shock.
A damaged wire can overheat, spark, or even start fire.
Tip 3. Replace damaged chargers or cords. If you notice Tip 2. Don't overheat extension cords. Plugging too many appliances into one outlet can cause overheating and increase the risk of electrical fires.
Peekaboo! Tip 4. Always unplug appliances properly. Pull the plug, not the cord, to avoid damaging the wires inside.
Electrical safety isn't about overly careful. It's about protecting yourself, your family, and everyone around you. One careless decision, one wet hand, one damaged wire can lead to an accident that could have been prevented. Stay alert, stay responsible, because your safety is always worth more than a few seconds of convenience.
No, come on. Kasi kami, electricity safety is important. Hello, what if na may tamo gid sa tinuod? Kinahanglan gid. Kay salamat dito nga naingani nga campaign sa sa mga social media para aware pud ang mga tao kay